ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Hi, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar's performance yesterday breaks through the resistance of 72.60 as demand continues. However, as it approaches that key resistance of 73.20.45, fresh supply comes back quite heavily as the next 12 hours sees a decline back towards the low 72 region, with the oscillators showing a mild decline, slowly growing. Does expect to see further risk to the downside, with the support coming in now at 71.95.05. A break of this level would expose the objective that I'm still holding to 71.20 to 35, and it is only seen from here that if we do get a break, as you can see from this level, exposes the next target, which is at 69.60, with the support in the middle at 70.25. However, keeping a close watch on this daily view, if the market does tend to increase to the upside as demand follows through, then we should see a break of 73.20.45, confirming a target of 75.35 to 70. However, today is a key importance, because if we do get that break under 71.95.05, then it would negate any upside threat. The euro slightly firmer overnight, however, no key levels broken to the upside, with the resistance still holding around the 112.60 level, or more to the point of 112.40.50. From here I expect to see the market retreat, and you can see here that we are in overbought intraday range, and I do expect to see a decline follow from any advance above 112. With the support coming in 111.45, a break here then reopens the downside and still favours the move to 110.50. A break under 110.50, then this exposes the next target, which is to the low side of 107.40 to 60. In the event we see a break above 113.35.45, then this would negate this target of 110.50 and instead put an objective in towards 114.10 to 114.90. But as I say, at this stage, I still favour the downtrend to continue. While dollar yen failed to sustain the advance since 105 and now retreating from that 111 target, yesterday's weak display could actually see further weakness to the downside, with the support holding at 108.75. A break here would reinstate the downside to 105, with the first support coming in at 107.60 and then 106.80. But from 105.20.60 should harbour the bull camp, and I expect to see a return. But the key level in today's price action is 108.75, and if it withstands the challenge, then yes, I expect to see a rise up towards 110.15.20 to 110.80. Well, the sterling confirms the bearish outside range day overnight as the sell-on continues. The first target of the downside rejection, the first target from the rejection from under the upside looks at 143.80. The low was 143.83. A break of 143.80 does expose a further decline to my objectives of 143 to 142. However, we must keep a note that if we do get another rejection from 143.80, then we could see a mild recovery up towards 144.60.70, but a cap around 145.25.35. But overall, I still favour the downside of 143 to be reachable, given from these two bearish outside range days, and this one just reinforces the previous. So I expect to see a new low come through here, and as I say, it should be around 142. Gold, well, a very disappointing story to the upside. The break of 12.17 failed to get that move above 12.24, but instead sells off down towards 112.07.06. What I must note here is the fact that the rejection or the failed break to the upside does put further threat towards the downside, and if we see them move for 1190, then the next target comes in around 1130 to 60. With an intraday range now holding to 1206 to 1216. As I say, if we don't get a move in to the upside in the next 24 hours and get above 1224, then I believe that we will see this challenge towards this 1190 target. Well, that's the wrap for the day. Thank you very much for listening. Until then, speak to you in the morning.